What up guys, it's your boy K-Flow. Today I'm going to show you how to mount any toolbox on your Prinsu roof rack system. Let's get this thing started. Hey guys, this video series I will call mini mods. These are basically short mods that you can do for your truck, which should take you only about an hour or less. The toolbox that I will be mounting today will be this ruggedized DeWalt toolbox. The link where you can get this toolbox will also be in the description below. For this installation, we're going to need the following hardware. We'll need 4 1/4-20 carriage bolts, and these bolts are about 1 inch long. 4 1/4-inch metal washers, 4 rubber washers, 4 1/4-inch lock wash, and 4 1/4-20 wing nuts. The list of these hardware will also be in the description below. So we take our toolbox and we line it up right up against the crossbar. From there, we mark out where it lines with the slots on the crossbars. We then drill holes using a small pilot hole and then working up to about 5/16 of an inch. Now we can slide in our carriage bolts, line them up with the holes, and slide the toolbox into those bolts. Now we can open the toolbox, slide in the rubber washer, the metal washer, the lock wash, and then finally secure it with the wing nut. And we do this for all 4 carriage bolts. This thing is mounted solid and will not go anywhere. So that pretty much wraps up this video for today, guys. Let me know what you think about this mini mod by commenting in the comment section below. Make sure you guys check out my website, www.kflow-crib.com. I have a bunch of free electronic resources for you guys to take advantage of. If you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, you can find me at kflow_Tacoma. And make sure you also drop a like, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to this channel. And that's it for tonight, guys. Till next time, peace out.